Monkey and the Crocodile. Please subscribe. In a faraway forest there lived a monkey. On the side of the forest there was a river. In the river lived a crocodile. The monkey and the crocodile were very good friends. Every day, after finishing their meals, the monkey comes to the river bank and sits on a branch of the sycamore or shola tree. The crocodile also comes and lies stretched in the sun. Their small boulders pick the food particles between teeth of the crocodile. As the two friends rest, they chat together. The crocodile always thinks about how to catch the monkey and eat them. He always looks at him from his half-opened eyes. The monkey also is friendly, but never liked his friend's smile and look. One day monkey was telling to crocodile that he liked to go the other side of the river and find out what fruits and roots grows here. Crocodile said, "No problem. I know that you can't swim, but I can take you on my back." Monkey thought for a while and they said, "Okay, that is a deal. Tomorrow morning." Next morning, a greedy crocodile was ready before time. As the monkey climbed on his back, he went to the water. As the monkey was about to jump on the ground, the crocodile cut his hind leg between his teeth. The monkey shouted, "What's the matter with you, friend? Why are you pulling my tails?" The greedy and foolish crocodile immediately left the monkey's leg, thinking that he really caught his tail. Immediately, the monkey jumped on the ground. He said, "Goodbye, crocodile. You have no descendant. You are no longer my friend." What do you learn from this history? Please write on the comment section and subscribe.